Are you famous or outspoken or just trying to live in the moment? Does it make you feel alive? And I'm trying to let you fake